Now, I was looking online and I noticed that there's not many tutorials on, like, if you have a Minecraft server, how to get a website. I mean, there is a few, but they're not that good. They're not up to par. But yeah, so I'm kind of here today to show you like how to make your website and design it and have your community. So I'm gonna be building my website compared like if I was running a server. But yeah, so we are using Engine, and how you get here is you open up your web browser and www.engine.com, and it brings you to this. But yeah, before I show you how to do this, we're gonna show some, or I'm gonna show you my community that I've been working on that's made with Engine. So this is just a very few things that you can do with this, but if you want to look at this for reference and whatnot, then you can go to that, or the link will be in the description. But I'll show you guys how to start it now. So first, you want to click sign up, and you want to enter your username. Then after that, your email, and finally your password. Then you hit sign up, and you agree to all that. But yeah, so once you agree to that, then you'll be all signed in. Okay, so I'm back and I got my account and everything. So you want to hit create site, and this should be a little GUI thing. So here's your website name. In this case, I think I'll go with QuartzNetwork, and site address QuartzNetwork at engine. Okay, we will go QuartzN. Select game. There's multiple games, so we'll go Minecraft and create website. So then it does this, and it's new website. So we'll go over this later. But here we go. So this is what they automatically create for you, and it's decent. We're gonna make it look heck of a lot better, but here's what they do. So when you first get in here, you have your news, which is news on how to do everything, and then login, register, some server status, voting, latest, some group pays and unique hits, all that stuff. And then here's your actual pages. You have your home page, which says forms, donation, members, gallery, chat, and contact. And you're not on the free plan. This is the advanced plan, as you see right here. Or, I mean, this is basically the advanced plan. So if you don't purchase it, then you will get the free plan in 12 days. So I'm gonna make the website with the free plan, because after this 12 days, if you make it all cool with advanced, then you're just gonna have to either lose a bunch of modules and themes and all that. So I'm gonna just create it with advanced. So first off, you wanna go to admin, and we'll go down to pages. You're going to remove all the unnecessary pages or add pages. So I know that I'm not going to need a contact and a chat and a gallery. So right off the bat, I'm gonna just move those out. I mean, you can get rid of what you want, but this is basically what I want, or what I would like. So now we're gonna go to page editor in home. Alright, so now I'm going to remove a bunch of stuff right now. So I'm going to remove the hit counter, group pay, and server status. So I will also edit once it loads up, I will manage posts, because I'm going to delete the ones that they have. and I'm gonna create a new one. Welcome, YouTube. This website will be a full guide on how to make a website for your Minecraft server. Alright, then we want to go to add post. Now close that out, and we're gonna go over to theme. And the theme is actually pretty important. So I'm going to go to free and all layouts, because you're gonna have the free plan eventually, unless you buy it. So here are a bunch of themes, and we're just gonna find a cool looking one. No, I'm not gonna go with, I mean, if you want, you can go with the Minecraft theme, like those, but I'm just kind of go general themes. This one looks cool, so I think I'm gonna go with that one. Alright, now we're gonna go back to our home page just to check out the theme. And I think that looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with it. So now that we got that, I'm gonna edit up here, which is this. So it's a banner. It's usually the first thing that people see. So you want it to look good. It's called header. So I'm gonna edit that, and yeah, so we'll go header library, so we can look at the headers that they already have, and we'll go free. Alright, let's look through all these, see which ones that we like. Alright, I think I'll probably use this one. So we'll click use, and then take us back to here, and there we go. So now we want to add some text. Alright, and I guess this is where you can put your name. So we'll go QuartzNetwork. We'll go color, yeah, we'll stick with white. Font effects, we'll add a drop shadow of a blue. There we go. So now we can go over here, and we'll change that to 70, make it huge, and we'll add it right here. So that's good for now, so we'll just hit save, and now we'll go back. Alright, so okay, so I'm gonna delete this and add it back. Add module, and we are going to find the name, so news. I just did this because I didn't want the bottom one, so we're going to rename the title to new, or news, and then save. So now you will edit the top menu. Yeah, we're gonna do that. So we got home, forms, and then we're gonna put the members in front of that. So yeah, and then we're gonna go to our home page, and this is what it looks like right now. So there's our banner. Then we got the little welcome post, login, register, vote, and latest threads. So we'll go edit the forms, which would be like the next page. So pages, and then form. So loading form. So here on the side, these are called modules, which is just like a plugin if you want to think of it like that. And kind of just extra things that you can add. So here's the latest threads, top posters, and top forum votes. So maybe yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the forum first. So here's the forum before you edit anything. It's general discussion, gaming, news and announcements, and sites and suggestions. But yeah, so if you want to edit things, you can click that, and boom. So let's say we wanted to add a new category, and let's go with help, and then we'll create a category. So that's like, by creating a category, it looks like this. It's like a full thing. And now under help, we're gonna create a forum, and we're gonna call this one bug reports. If you have found a bug / glitch, please report here. Alright, and then we are going to hit create form. And not only bug reports, but we're going to add a hacker thing. So, report hackers. Report any hackers or suspicious suspicious whatever. So suspicious. That's gonna bother me. Alright, so then we'll reload our forums, and then we have community, website, and help. So yeah, here's the latest threads and top poster, and no one has liked our photos yet, so we don't have any likes. Now we are gonna go head over to the members, which you can't really do many things on the members besides like edit the layout of the list. Alright, we'll edit, and here we go. Okay, so we can have it list with columns, avatars with usernames, or grid. I think we'll stick with the normal one, and we will go registered users. So we'll have users, join date, yeah, that seems right, and we'll keep it normal, and we'll view the members page. Alright, now here's how it looks. Let's say another person was to join the website. Their icon would be right here, their name, how many posts they've had on the website, when did they join, when was the last time they were on. Then you got like these little things. So that's just like message and friend and everything. But besides that, it's pretty simple. So now we're going to visit the donation store, which is how you can make income. So here's the latest purchases, and there's 0 because no one has bought anything. And this is donation activity, which means like if people bought something, it'd be like up here or something. But here's an example item, and this is how it would look. You'd have your thing, you can add, edit, and yeah. So now we're gonna go over to donation store and click that button, and we're gonna add an item. So we're gonna do a normal item, and here we go. So let's say this is we'll call this VIP. We'll go VIP plus, and the price is $5. So $5. This, or purchasing this item will grant you the following. Alright, so there we go. That's just something that I could do. In stock limited, we're not going to mess with that. You'll scroll down, and it could be, we're going to make it where it could be purchased with points or money. So it's going to be 5 points. And then when you buy it, you don't get any points. So after you buy it, if you had a server, after you buy it, you can hit add. Well, I mean, this wouldn't work for me because I don't have one, so we'll do it later. Now you want to edit the actual design, so launch item design. Now here's where you can make it look cool. So we're gonna go to select background, and we're gonna pick a random background. We'll go with this one, and then we'll select main graphic, and this is like gold or some blocks or head. We'll go with the I'm not sure. We'll go with the villager head. And then rank name, VIP plus, text size normal, and then we'll go text color. You will make this a red with a black drop shadow. Should we go large text? Yeah, sure, saying our icon is somewhat small. So then we're going to go use image. It's loading. And there we go. So now we're going to reload and you will see it. And I'm not sure why it's not loading. So it didn't add it. I'm gonna add it again, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back, and it was my fault, I messed up, but so it wasn't saving the icon, so I will definitely be trying to fix that during the future. But here, so it says VIP plus the name, and click to view details, and of course we get all the stuff that we put in there. So let's say you wanted someone to buy this, and you wanted to give them points instead of them purchasing it with money. What you do is you go into your admin and users. So this is like a whole nother thing that we'll probably get into next video, because this video is stretching out. But yeah, so once this loads up, you have all your users, and here I am. So now we're going to go to edit, and we're going to go to edit credit points, and we're going to add points. I'm going to add 5 points to myself, and now I have 5 points. So I can go back into this and donation store, and I can purchase this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add it to my cart, and I'm going to enter my Minecraft username and hit continue. And then I'm going to go down and pay with website points and hit confirm payment. Okay, and now I have it. So it says right here VIP plus 5 points, and just right now. So here is also where I get a purchase notification. If this is what the user will get, and I'll show you this. So this message is what the user gets. Hi, and then your name. Thank you for your purchase. Confirmed. Then what? And then premium tells you what you get, and yeah, so that's what the user gets, and here's what the owner gets. Purchase notification, his name, or their username, the item name, all the things, what they bought, and yeah, so it's help people buy stuff. So that will be probably it for this episode. In the next episode, I hope to cover, we will probably get to more in-depth stuff like tags. Get into tags, the actual like settings, how to add a server. But yeah, see you then.